Brain-boosting foods. Explore foods that enhance cognitive function and mental clarity. Include recipes featuring omega-3 rich ingredients, antioxidants, and nootropics. Have you ever sat staring blankly at a computer screen, trying to focus or recall crucial information? Or maybe you just can't help but dread the fog that sneaks up on you during a long meeting or a study session. What if I told you the secret to sharper thinking and better memory could be found right in your kitchen? Today we're diving into the world of brain-boosting foods that can enhance your cognitive function and mental clarity. To see more interesting content like this, smash that like button and subscribe. Understanding the brain. Before we get into the delectable foods that supercharge the brain, let's understand really what our brains need to perform at their best. The brain is a multi-million-piece organ composed of billions of neurons communicating with each other, which control everything from our thoughts and emotions to our movements and memories. Nutritional requirements. Just as our heads sit on our shoulders, just like every other part of our bodies, our brains require nourishment to do their jobs. Certain nutrients are known to play a critical role in the health of our brains. Omega-3 fatty acids. One of the vital fatty acids in the brain for health and development. These build cell membranes and foster new neuronal growth. Antioxidants. Antioxidant-rich foods protect the brain against oxidative stress and neuroinflammation, which lead to the onset of cognitive decline with aging. Nootropics. These are substances that can enhance cognitive function, especially executive functions, memory, creativity, or motivation. Now, what are those foods we should really take in to keep the brain sharp? Let's dive in and go over some mouth-watering options. 1. Fatty fish. Let's plunge right in with one of the brainiest of them all, fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout, are chock full of omega-3 fatty acids. It's on these that the healthy human brain relies for its top function, even to assist in keeping off Alzheimer's. Visualize yourself sitting down to a beautiful dinner of grilled salmon. Besides being very tasty, it's going to be a wonderful asset to your brain. Recipe idea. Omega-3 salmon salad ingredients. 200 grams salmon fillet, 2 cups mixed ingredients, spinach, arugula, 1 avocado, 1/4 cup walnuts, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Grill or bake salmon until cooked through. Mix together the mixed greens, sliced avocado, and walnuts in a bowl. Flake salmon over the salad. Drizzle olive oil and lemon juice, sprinkle salt and pepper. Toss gently and enjoy. This salad is not only delicious, but it's also a hearty dose of omega-3s combined with vitamins from the greens and healthy fats from the avocado. 2. Blueberries. Next come blueberries, humble yet gigantic. Not only do these small berries taste amazing, but they are filled to the brim with antioxidants. Studies have shown that flavonoids in blueberries improve communication between neurons in the brain and boost memory. Just imagine waking up in the morning, wanting to make a smoothie fresh and full of blueberries. Not only a great pleasure for your tongue, but it also feeds the brain. Recipe idea. Blueberry smoothie. Ingredients. 1 cup blueberries, fresh or frozen. 1 banana, 1 cup spinach, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour in a glass and enjoy a refreshing brain boost. More than that, besides being quick to prepare, this smoothie will fit perfectly for a start in the morning and will keep your mind razor sharp. 3. Dark chocolate. Now, here's the good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants. It has flavonoids inside that will enhance memory and elevate mood. Just imagine yourself with a small piece of dark chocolate after dinner. What could be more pleasurable than a reward, and something positive being done to the brain? Recipe idea. Dark chocolate bark. Ingredients. 200 grams dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or over. 1/4 cup chopped nuts, almonds or walnuts. Dried fruit, cranberries or apricots, 1/4 cup. Melt dark chocolate either in a microwave or double boiler. Stir in nuts and dried fruit. Pour on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Let cool completely until set. Break into pieces. This is a wonderful treat to have on hand to settle a sweet craving while giving your brain an antioxidant boost. 4. Leafy greens. And let's not forget about leafy greens. Green vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli contain vitamins E and K, which many reports show are great for cognitive health. Envision making a salad every color in the rainbow with fresh greens in it. Every bite not only is good for the body, but great for the brain. Recipe idea: spinach and kale salad. Ingredients: 2 cups spinach, 2 cups kale, ½ cup cherry tomatoes, ¼ cup feta cheese, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Directions: combine in a large bowl spinach, kale, cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, season with salt and pepper. Toss well before serving. Full of nutrients that keep your mind sharp while also extremely tasty. 5. Walnuts. And of course, walnuts. They are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Studies show that consumption of walnuts is related to better cognitive performance. Imagine munching on walnuts throughout your day. Convenient to draw out whenever you want an energizing snack to keep your mind alert. Recipe suggestion: walnut pesto pasta. Ingredients: 200 grams whole wheat pasta, 1 cup fresh basil, ½ cup walnuts, ¼ cup grated Parmesan cheese, olive oil, garlic clove, salt to taste. Prepare pasta by cooking according to package instructions. In the food processor, puree basil, walnuts, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and olive oil until smooth. Toss cooked pasta with walnut pesto. Season with salt before serving. This dish is not only in a flash, but it unites flavors that would tickle your taste buds while ramping up your brain power. More brain foods. With that said, there are many other foods that can support improved cognitive function, including avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that have the same consistency as blood flow, optimal for the brain. And they're versatile. You can have them in salads, on toast, whatever you like. Eggs. Eggs boast a wealth of nutrients that are linked to a healthy brain. Vitamins B6 and B12, and folate, all very important to sustaining cognitive function over time. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier and may help improve memory while also reducing inflammation. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your diet can help enhance your cognitive function while providing delicious meals you'll love. From omega-rich fish to antioxidant-packed berries and even indulgent dark chocolate, there's no shortage of tasty options for keeping your mind sharp. Thanks for tuning in on this journey into the world of the brain and how to keep it healthy. If you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you did, smash that like button and subscribe to catch the next one.